नित्यमधीयताम्
वेदो नित्यमधीयताम्
तदुदितं कर्म स्वनुष्ठीयताम्
तदुदितं कर्म स्वनुष्ठीयताम्
तेनेशस्य विधीयताम्
तेनेशस्य विधीयताम्
अपचितिः काम्ये मतिस्त्यज्यताम्
अपचितिः काम्ये मतिस्त्यज्यताम्
पापौघः परिधूयताम्
पापौघः परिधूयताम्
भवसुखे दोषोऽनुसन्धीयताम्
भवसुखे दोषोऽनुसन्धीयताम्
आत्मेच्छाव्यवसीयताम्
आत्मेच्छा व्यवसीयताम्
निजगृहात् तूर्णं विनिर्गम्यताम्
निजगृहात् पूर्णं विनिर्गम्यताम्
सङ्गसत्सु विधीयताम्
सङ्गः सत्सु विधीयताम्
भगवतो भक्तिर्दृढाधीयताम्
भगवतो भक्तिर्दृढाधीयताम्
शान्त्यादिः परिचीयताम्
शान्त्यादिः परिचीयताम्
दृढतरं कर्माशु सन्त्यज्यताम्
दृढतरं कर्माशु सन्त्यज्यताम्
सद्विद्वानुपसर्प्यताम्
तद्विद्वानुपसर्प्यताम्
प्रतिदिनं तत्पादुका सेव्यताम्
प्रतिदिनं तत्पादुका सेव्यताम्
ब्रह्मैकाक्षरमर्थ्यताम्
ब्रह्मैकाक्षरमर्थ्यताम्
श्रुतिशिरो वाक्यं समाकर्ण्यताम्
श्रुतिशिरो वाक्यं समाकर्ण्यताम्
वाक्यार्थश्च विचार्यताम्
वाक्यार्थश्च विचार्यताम्
श्रुतिशिरः पक्षः समाश्रीयताम्
श्रुतिशिरः पक्षः समाश्रीयताम्
दुस्तर्कात् सुविरम्यताम्
दुस्तर्कात् सुविरम्यताम्
श्रुतिमतस्तर्कोऽनुसन्धीयताम्
श्रुतिमतस्तर्कोऽनुसन्धीयताम्
ब्रह्मैवास्मि विभाव्यताम्
ब्रह्मैवास्मि विभाव्यताम्
अहरहर्गर्वः परित्यज्यताम्
अहरहर्गर्वः परित्यज्यताम्
देहेऽहं मतिरुज्यताम्
देहेऽहं मतिरुज्यताम्
बुधजनैर्वादः परित्यज्यताम्
बुधजनैर्वादः परित्यज्यताम्
We have seen up to verse 2, in which we find the seeker leaves home for Atma Sukham, but he has not found his teacher yet. And so, to avoid the vacuum in his life, to keep his mumuksha alive, he takes refuge in satsanga, in devotion, bhakti to the Lord, and he goes in search of his master. Once he definitely would discover a teacher, because he is now ready with Viveka, Vairagya, Shamadhi, Shatka, Sampatti, Mumukshutvam, all these qualifications being available, the universe will open the doors for him to meet his teacher. And once he meets his teacher, what should he do? He must go to his teacher and ask for the knowledge, the self-knowledge. Don't go to the teacher and ask for a job for your son, or ask for some lucky number to buy a lottery ticket. No, those are not reasons you go to your teacher. No, because if he says, I'll get it, well, that's not his role. So you go to him for the self-knowledge. And having said that, he says, the trust here, you look at this, Shruti Shiro Vakyam Samakarnyatam. So assuming that he asked and the teacher taught, and so what did he do when the teacher was teaching? He began to snore, to join the teacher in some rhythm. So he also joined him in snoring process. No, come on, Samakarnyatam. Samyak Akarnyatam, listened well. He was alert, he was awake. No, he didn't sleep off like my Paramaguru had that challenge with his disciples. He had to politely tell the sadhus, well, this is a matter of listening, not sleeping. ये सुनने की बात है, सोने की बात नहीं है. And so, it will be very alert here. So, Samakarnyatam. Vedanta being a pramanam, being a means of knowledge in the form of words, right? Eyes are a means of knowledge for forms. Ears are the means of knowledge, the sense of hearing, for sounds. And for this knowledge, what is the means of knowledge? Words. Veda pramanam. The words of the Veda. Words of the Veda you cannot lick or see. You have to only hear with a mind behind the ears. And therefore, Samakarnyatam. And so it's all oral tradition. It's not a tradition of book reading, It's not a tradition of Google search. It is an oral tradition. So you sit with your teacher and listen to the teachings. And so what are the teachings? Right? The next verse continues with these teachings. So he talks about really something to just make a note here, that the progress, I mentioned in another class, the progress of a student is traced in 3 stages, in 3 components. One is what we call Purushartha Nischaya. Purushartha Nischaya is the clarity of what you want in life.